Hi everyone, I'm JD Hoovener, your host of the Bold Today Show, where you, the inventor, entrepreneur, and business owner, get your daily dose of inspiration to make the world a better place. All right, we're here, we're talking about project planning, right? It's spring. Yesterday we talked about the project you've got in mind, right? What you're going to take on and tackle. Maybe it's cleaning the garage, could be, putting a new garden in, some new vegetables. Whatever it is, I want you to put a plan together. And your challenge of the day is just that. Put 5 milestones down. Break your project into 5 little tiny steps. Write it down. It's elementary, but a lot of people actually don't plan their projects and oftentimes goof up and have to redo tons of things. And given that this is one thing I struggle with a lot too, so I'm going to try to take my own advice and follow up on this challenge myself too. So put in the comments below, what's step 1 for you? What's the first step to your project? And share that with your comments below. Okay, so we're still talking about Shawn Smith out of Tulsa, Oklahoma. And Shawn's invention is, if you missed it yesterday, it's a toolbox with integrated air lines for air compressor to do tools or sanding, grinding, those sorts of things. It's all integrated into one box. And so we have an image up here that you can see to kind of recognize it. And hopefully, if you did your homework, you dug in and pulled up that patent itself, because we're going to be talking a lot about the application process that went into place. What steps had to be taken to get that properly submitted to the USPTO. And so today we're going to be talking about the oath and declaration. The oath and declaration is a very important part of the process for the inventor to make a declaration that they're the inventor, that they have no other inventors, no other co-inventors that help them with it, and that they've fully disclosed everything about the invention and all the prior art that goes with it. So it's a kind of a triple effect, and this is all captured under 37 CFR 1.41b. In this part of the statute, it requires the inventor to disclose all the prior art, meaning all of the other patents, other publications that they've used to sort of get the knowledge that was the foundation for their inventing, right? They maybe made an improvement on an old toolbox. They thought about using air lines that are compressor lines that are connected to a rail. Whatever it is that Shawn Smith had, he had to disclose to the patent office as part of his declaration. In addition to that, this part of the statute requires that the inventor's attorney, if they performed a patentability search, they have to disclose all of those prior art pieces and citations to the examiner. This helps speed the process up. I mean, the examiner's going to find these anyway, and it's your duty and obligation to disclose what's out there, which that exists already. So this part of the process is usually handled under an electronic signature. And so tomorrow we're going to take a look at the actual document that Shawn Smith signed. And until then, what I want you to do is go take a look at the USPTO.gov website. Again, pull up this patent if you haven't done it already. We're going to be talking more about the patent documents that went into making the application. Okay, well, get started on that first project. I know spring is close, and I know you got your big spring projects online. I'm excited to read about what you're working on, and I'll share what I'm working on as well. Take care, everyone, and have a great day. Go big, go bold.
Go bold at boldip.com.